Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And in this video we are going to go over another CKA lab by KillerCoda. And like I said before, this one is a free website, so if you're trying to go for the CKA and you want to have some practice or more practice, go ahead and go over KillerCoda. It is a free website. So this video, like I said, I think this one is a deployment issue number 3. All right, so in here, so for this question, please set the context to this. All right, so the Postgres deployment pods are not running. Fix that issue. So what's going on? Okay, get deployment, Postgres deployment. There's one replica over here and it's not running. So right, we got 1 that we need to run and 0 that are available. Let's do a get pod. We see this pod over here. We can go ahead and copy it. You can see over here that create a container config error. So there's an error over here. If we go to describe and specify the pod, you can see over here it was able to pull the image, so that's great. Anything else in here? Okay. I cannot see any issues. Let me go ahead and move this over here. There we go. Okay. So if you look at the recent schedule, pull, and then you see right here, fail. So something failed. Error, ConfigMap, Postgres DB config not found. Looks like there's an issue with the config map. It's probably the name that is incorrect. Let's go ahead and take a look at the config maps. QK get config maps. Okay, so it looks like the actual name of this is Postgres config. Yes, it is. So we're gonna have to edit that deployment. Edit deployment, Postgres deployment. So in here, where it says the name, we're gonna have to change this right here. Postgres, right? Because it's looking, there's an environment variable and it's looking for a config map key reference. And the key is what is inside this Postgres DB. But it's actually called, it's just called Postgres config, right? Postgres config, yeah. So we got to remove the DB from here, and DB from here. Also, while we added, I can see some references in here. So I want to make sure that these are also correct. Let's go ahead and go to the tab. Let's do Postgres config, and instead of get, I want to get a description, see what's inside. So there is a Postgres user. And what do we have in here? Postgres password. I don't see a. Okay, we have a Postgres DB and user, but I don't see a password here. Interesting. Well, let's go ahead and just save this. And that should start another. Oh, you can see right now it's running. Okay, that was an easy one. It looks like that resolved the issue. If we want to take a look at the description. Oh, part not found. Why is it not found? Because whenever you edit the deployment, what it does is it terminates the old one and it creates a new pod, right? And now you can see recent schedule pull created and started. So that is it. Let's go ahead and hit the check button. Validation successful. Boom, another lap done. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're trying to go for the CKA, or if you have to use CKA already, go ahead and leave a comment on the description below. Subscribe to the channel because it's free. Share this video because it's free, and hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.